board also heard the welcome news from the state of Indiana that the state is going to put a traffic signal at 3 and 35 in Macedonia. That has been an area which has caused us a great deal of concern because of the number of accidents that have occurred there, near accidents that have occurred there, and we feel that it will contribute a great deal to the safety of the citizens of our city.
The board agreed this morning to participate in the reconstruction of badly damaged and broken sidewalks with the property owners in the downtown business section, which is a continuance of a policy the past administration had of participating to the extent of $3 per lineal foot for the reconstruction of these downtown sidewalks.
We received a communication from the State of Indiana Department of State Revenue that we are being assessed a deficiency of approximately $2,300 for sales tax, which the Department of Revenue claims the city owes for 1966 and 1967. Unfortunately, there's nothing in our budget to pay this sales tax. Now, a year ago, on a routine audit, the auditor said that the city did not owe sales tax. This year, on a routine audit, we had a different auditor, and he said that we do owe this. So we have 30 days to decide whether or not to appeal this assessment.